You want to create your AI twin without it being complicated, because it's like that song, why you gotta go and make things so complicated? I get it. Everybody making money with AI. You keep hearing all over the internet about people making money with AI, but you don't even know how to make your AI twin. Well, right now, we're about to solve that. For those who don't know me, I'm Sonia. I'm a retired teacher of 22 years, and now I teach people how to earn income working from home or anywhere in the world. So let's dive in. I'm going to show you how to create your AI twin.
Look at me now. Came from the ashes, built from the pain. Walked through the fire, danced in the rain. Tried to shut me down, still I remain. Pressure made diamonds, remember the name. You was talking like the end was near. Now I'm front row, crystal clear. What broke me then brought purpose here. I don't bow down, I persevere. Every chain fell to the floor. I don't fear it anymore. What was meant to in my...
All right, so I'm going to show you how you're going to create your AI twin in a few short steps. Nobody could have ever made me believe that I'd be teaching people this of all things in 2026. First things first, we're going to be using Google AI Studio to complete this. But before we do that, I want to just clarify a few things. You can do this inside of OpenArt AI. All right. And I love OpenArt AI. It is amazing. And you can do this in Hicksfield. You can do this in Google AI Studio. Today we're going to do it in Google AI Studio, but OpenArt is an awesome place to do it as well. And here's what you see. OpenArt is a platform. Hicksfield is a platform. They both have something in common, a tool, Nano Banana Pro, as you can see. But we're not going to use Hicksfield today. And look at this, the model right here, that's a tool, Nano Banana Pro. We're not going to use OpenArt AI, but listen, I absolutely love OpenArt AI. As you can see, I've created all this content and so much more in here. I'll drop a link down below for you for those who want to use OpenArt AI and get to know it. All right. Now, what we are using is Google AI Studio. And here's what I want you to see. We're on the playground. This is called the playground. We're going to click on image generation. And look at that. Nano Banana. Once again, there's that tool right there. All right, we're going to go ahead and upload two images, which I have two on here. And I'm going to give it a prompt. All right, I have a prompt right here that you can use yourself. I'm going to go ahead and upload the second photo. I say use 2 to 3 photos. It really does well with 2 to 3 photos. So these are photos that I literally took from a screenshot of an actual video, not a photo itself. So recreate this image of her, but she is facing the camera directly. Do not change or alter her facial features. Keep her makeup the same, but put the photo in better resolution. So I'm going to also go ahead and put it in 4K resolution over here. And I'm going to do the aspect ratio as 9:16 because that is what we use for most video styles. All right. Once you've selected your API key, you're going to go ahead and hit run. Just know that with Google AI Studio, they do require an API key. And it used to be no cost, but now they charge. It's really a small, few pennies each time you create something. All right. So this is how my AI twin came out in better resolution. So we're not just gonna leave my AI twin looking this way. We're actually going to put the AI twin in an outfit. Okay. So the next step is I found an outfit off of Pinterest. I found some nails off of Pinterest, and we're going to put that on my AI twin, and that's the next step. By the way, what do you all think? My AI twin looks like me, right? All right, so the thing we're going to do is download the image that it created for us. So I've downloaded that image, and now we're going to also upload it back for the next prompt. And then we're going to also upload the dress along with the nails. Now, you don't have to necessarily download and upload the photo, but I like doing that because I want to make sure that it's going to keep a consistent look. All right. And so this is what we're going to prompt it. Put the woman in the photo wearing the dress and put the woman in photo 1 wearing the dress in photo 2 with the nails in photo 3. Do not alter her facial features or change her face, and make sure the photo is clear and in high resolution. And we're going to go ahead and run that. And here we go. This is our finished product, and it looks great. If you see things with your AI twin that you want to change, simply go ahead and prompt it in Google AI Studio. You may say, her lips are slightly fuller. She has on lip gloss. Her hands are slightly smaller. So make very tiny adjustments in your prompting one at a time. I don't like to give it too many prompts because when you do that, you run the risk of thinking that you're doing a good prompt, but not. So keep it simple, one thing at a time. There's the tattoo. That's my AI twin in that dress, just like that. Now, we're going to take it over to OpenArt next. And I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to get movement out of your AI twin. All right, now that we're over in OpenArt, we are on the home screen, and this is what I want you to see: story, video, image, character, world. We're going to actually go to video because we're going to create a video. Now we're going to go to frame to video because the frame will be considered the photo. So we're going to pick the frame to video. We're going to upload the image that we have here, and I'm going to give you a simple prompt. By the way, send you all a copy over through your email, all the prompts that I used on here at no cost. So I'll drop that down in the description section. All right, so let's prompt. Real simple. She is moving from side to side, looking at her new outfit. Very simple prompt. Sometimes it's best to start off with simple prompts because you don't want to start off with a prompt that's too complicated. Now, this is the model C-Dance. We're not using it. We're going to use Kling, okay? And Kling is only going to cost us 175 credits. This does use credits. I have 2,350 credits remaining. At the end of this, I'll show you all the pricing plans for those who may be interested in getting OpenArt for your creation. So we're going to go ahead and generate. So while that's running, I'll take you all over to look at the pricing plans in OpenArt. You want to make sure that you distinguish between whether or not it's on annual versus monthly. And if you notice right here, $14 a month will give you 4,000 credits. Advanced, that's what I use, $29 a month, 12,000 credits. I never need more than that because I do go between OpenArt and Hicksfield. So if you would like to use OpenArt, I will go ahead and drop a link down below where you can get creations just like what you saw me do right here. So if you pay attention here, I have generated 2 generations. And just know that with OpenArt, the credits are based on how many seconds you are going to do as well. And take a look right here. There is the second one. There's my tattoo showing very well, just like it is. And here is the first creation. So there you have it. Listen, AI isn't coming. AI is here. Now you know how to create your AI twin. If you found this useful, make sure you like this post, comment below, and subscribe to my channel because I'll be providing you more tools and tips on how to grow your business in 2026, especially with the use of AI. Thank you.
Look at me now. Came from the ashes, built from the pain. Walked through the fire, danced in the rain. Tried to shut me down, still I remain. Pressure made diamonds.